The Moto G34 5G has recently obtained certifications in China, providing an early glimpse into the device specifications and design. The revealed images align with previous press renders, showcasing a device that boasts dual rear cameras with a prominent 50 megapixel main camera. The phone sports a stylish blue color complemented by a fox leather finish and a convenient side-mounted fingerprint scanner. While these certifications initially only disclosed a 2.2 GHz system on chip. Additionally, details emerged from a Geekbench listening. It unveiled that the Moto G34 5G is equipped with a Snapdragon 695 SoC, 8 GB of RAM, and will run on Android 14, promising a seamless and powerful user experience. So, delving into the specifications, the Moto G34 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus OLED screen with a 20:9 aspect ratio, providing a vibrant and immersive display. Powered by a octa-core Snapdragon 695 8nm mobile platform, the device ensures efficient performance with its combination of 2.2 GHz and 1.8 GHz Cryo 560 CPUs and Adreno 619L GPU. The phone comes with 8 GB LPDDR4X RAM and offers storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB and expandable up to a whopping 1 TB with a micro SD card. Also, the camera setup includes a 50 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel secondary camera on the rear, accompanied by a 8 megapixel front camera for capturing stunning selfies. Multimedia enthusiasts will appreciate the inclusion of a 3.5 audio jack, stereo speaker, Dolby Atmos and FM radio. The Moto G24 5G also prioritizes user security with its side-mounted fingerprint scanner and a weight of 180 grams, make it a probable and stylish device. Connectivity options abound, featuring Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, GPS and USB Type-C. The device is fueled by a robust 5000 mAh battery supporting 20-watt charging for convenience on the go. Anticipations around the Moto G34 5G's imminent introduction slated for January in China, Europe and other global markets. With its impressive specifications and design, the device is poised to be a good addition to the competitive 5G smartphone market. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.